741 to
क्या है P7 में?
26/10/16।
sorry, that is the mark sheet, and my lord, I am sorry, it is not P7, that is the mark sheet.
चलिए, आपको कुछ कहना है?
That the mark sheet is produced on record on, that is the month after the cutoff date, you know.
कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा
My
ये?
lord, I am just demonstrating. Sheet.
एज पर पॉलिसी मालूम उसके अभी विवाहित होने पर उसके पति का नाम
हाँ,
My lord,
दर्ज होना।
kindly see page number 23, your lordship.
annexure
That is annexure, page number 23, that is annexure P1,
P1, yes.
along with the applications.
हाँ,
He has annexed.
आंगनवाड़ी सहायिका के पद हेतु न्यूनतम शैक्षणिक योग्यता 5वीं कक्षा उत्तीर्ण होना आवश्यक।
Page 23, लास्ट में एंडोर्समेंट है सर,
क्या एंडोर्समेंट है?
26/11/2010 का सर,
कहाँ पर?
एट द फुट ऑफ दिस
पेज
एप्लीकेशन,
नंबर?
पेज 23,
हाँ,
पेज 23।
23 तो P1 का हिस्सा नहीं है।
हाँ जी, जो मेरे को सप्लाई की,
अरे आपको सप्लाई करने से क्या होता है? आप
नहीं,
यह तो
मैं पिटीशन की,
आप
पिटीशन
कंप्यूटर से क्यों नहीं देख पा रहे हैं आप लोग?
माय लॉर्ड, आई एम सॉरी।
ऐसे तो हम नहीं कर पाएंगे।
आई अपोलोजाइज, मैं उसी से देखता हूँ।
ठीक है।
My lord, in
missing.
well, 20, this page is missing from that folder, your lordship. ये इसमें सर वेबसाइट में सर मिस है, ये पेज नहीं है सर।
जी जी,
एनेक्जर P2 के साथ नहीं हटे, स्कैन नहीं हुआ।
स्कैन नहीं हो पाया सर, ये if my lord permits me, I will provide.
दिखाइएगा ये P2 फाइल दिखाइए।
अरे मिनिमम तो 5 मार्क्स है, सोच रहा हूँ ना भाई
10 मार्क्स ज्यादा मिले ना इसके, 10 मार्क्स कट जाएंगे तो हम
आप राम सखी हैं?
जी जी, मैं राम से।
पहले 2 का क्यों नहीं किया इन्होंने जो इनसे ज्यादा अंक प्राप्त किए थे?
मतलब पहले इन्होंने ही, इनके अंक जो है प्राप्त है, इनके ज्यादा है। अगर इनके बीपीएल के 10 मार्क्स कट जाते तो आई एम दी मेरिट।
नहीं नहीं, एक सेकंड में यही पूछ रहा हूँ, जो इसमें पहली जो लिस्ट लगी है उसमें इनका नाम 4थे नंबर पर है, ठीक है? इनको अनुसूचित जाति के 10 अंक नहीं दिए थे, गरीबी रेखा के 10 अंक नहीं दिए, इनको अनुसूचित जाति के भी तो 10 मिलेंगे, फिर भी आप ऊपर नहीं आ पाएंगे। इनको अनुसूचित के भी 10 नहीं दिए थे।
It seems, my lord, that they have not submitted the caste certificate, or therefore she has also not.
लगा तो है, पुत्री का जाति प्रमाण पत्र लगा है एप्लीकेशन के साथ में, P2 के P1 के साथ ही पेज 17 पर,
19
पेज 19 पर वो भी जाति प्रमाण पत्र भी लगा हुआ है 2015 का, ठीक है? चलिए लिखिएगा।
Your Lordship, if I may be allowed, I am submitting a judgment in PLG 2019-2 JLG 445, Renu Vishwakarma versus Tulsi
कॉपी
Vishwakarma.
दीजिए।
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, this says that on the date of submitting form, applicant had a valid BPL card. Paragraph number 15 is the, yes, Your Lordship.
This petition is writ petition is filed challenging the orders dated 10/4/2018 passed by the Court of Collector Tikamgarh in case number 148/appeal oblique 2016-17
बंदी काम कर रही है क्या?
whereby on an appeal filed by one Ram Sakhi, wife of Sri Devendra Chadar, against appointment of the present petitioner, comma, respondent number 1 therein, comma, on the post of Anganwadi Karyakarta, Anganwadi Sahika Karyakarta,
Sahika.
Sahika,
ये मेक वन सबमिशन मेरे से गलती हो गई, मैं पॉइंट आउट नहीं कर पाया। जो ये आप कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट माय लॉर्ड हैज पॉइंटेड मी, ये कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट आकांक्षा खंगार का है माय लॉर्ड, इट इज नॉट अ प्रीति खंगार।
ये उन्होंने अपनी बेटी का किया है ना।
परंतु सर इसमें प्रीति परिहार नाम आ रहा है, तो माइट भी कि ये प्रीति परिहार जो है
ये सब देख लेते हैं ना।
जी जी,
एक सब देख लेते हैं। आपकी
इसमें जो
बात
इसका
देख
पिक्चर उसमें प्रीति परिहार है।
देख लेते हैं।
पेज 19 इसलिए शायद उन्होंने रेस भी नहीं किया सर ये ग्राउंड कहीं पे।
चलिए तो लिखे ये ग्राउंड, चलिए मैं क्या लिखा
सर दूसरा ये सबमिशन था कि वो 8वीं की मार्कशीट उन्होंने कट ऑफ ग्रेड के बाद।
चलिए लिखेंगे ना, आप सुनिए तो।
जी जी
क्या लिखा? कलेक्टर ऑन द पोस्ट ऑफ आंगनवाड़ी सहायिका, full stop. Collector Tikamgarh on 2 grounds mentioned in the order, namely that name of the mother-in-law of the petitioner is mentioned in the BPL family card as Ram Kumar Chadar, held that since name of the head of the family is mentioned as Ram Kumar Kangar, therefore non-applicant Preeti was not included in the said family having BPL card. Full stop. Similarly, in regard to 8th class mark sheet, it is mentioned that because of excessively high marks, the mark sheet appears to be forged, but forged, and therefore allowed the appeal filed by the private respondent herein. Next para. Learned Commissioner Sagar, Additional Commissioner Sagar Division Sagar, wide order dated 18 September 2018 in appeal case number 1298/89/2017-18 mechanically allowed the appeal without applying his mind to the fact situation, and therefore questioning of the orders is sought. Next para. Shri Rawat, appearing for the private respondent, submits that firstly petitioner had not filed copy of her 8th class mark sheet in time, and secondly there was overwriting in her BPL card. Full stop. It is also submitted that the caste certificate as was produced by her was not proper, and therefore collector and the additional commissioner were justified in discarding the documents produced by the petitioner herein and allowing the appeal filed by the private respondent. Next para. Shri Manas Mani Verma, learned government advocate, along with CDPO Ms. Kushwaha, submits that the requirement of BPL card is that it should be in the name of the head of the family of the married women or a spinster. Next para. In the present case, when record is perused, then it is evident that the BPL card number is mentioned on the application form and that is in the name of Srimati Ram Kuvar Khangar, wife of Jagdish Khangar, full stop. That being the fact, comma, and in a progressive society where rights of women are being given precedence over other subsidiary issues, comma, name of a woman as the head of the family cannot be a ground to discard the BPL card, full stop. This card categorically makes mention of the name of son of Ram Kuvar Khangar, that is Udham, who happens to be husband of the petitioner Preeti Devi. Therefore, other things become irrelevant for the purpose of grant of 10 marks under the BPL category. And therefore, the authorities were not correct in discarding 10 marks for BPL category, and the reasoning given by the then collector Tikamgarh is faulty, and it appears that he has failed to apply his mind to the fact situation. Next para. As far as 8th class mark sheet is concerned, there is no material available on record to show that that mark sheet was supplied belatedly. On the contrary, Annexure P1 is the application filed by the petitioner in which list of documents is mentioned, and at serial number 2 there is a mention of 8th class mark sheet. There is also mention of caste certificate of her daughter Kumari Akansha Khangar, daughter of Udham Singh Khangar and Srimati Preeti, full stop. In view of such facts, the caste certificate to show that petitioner belongs to scheduled caste category was also available, full stop. Collector also committed not obtaining verification of 8th class mark sheet from the competent district education officer from where she had passed the 8th class in the year 2000-2001, but arbitrarily drawing his own conclusions, which reflects that collector was not equipped to act, was neither equipped nor having temperament to act as a quasi-judicial officer, as much as without following the principles of natural justice and without getting an inquiry conducted into the very correctness of the certificates, he drew his own inferences which are far from correct. Therefore, this court has no hesitation, full stop. Moreover, the additional commissioner Sagar acted as a rubber stamp and signed on the order without applying his mind, which shows that the additional commissioner was only trying to justify the orders of his subordinate revenue official for the reasons best known to him without application of mind. Therefore, both the orders passed by the collector and the commissioner are hereby set aside. Petition is allowed. It is directed that petitioner be reinstated immediately with all consequential benefits. The original record be returned back to the...
Your Lordship, she's working on the virtuous
Acha.
play I got in the
ठीक.
year. I'm obliged to Lordship.
कलेक्टर साहब के खिलाफ एक्शन कराना है क्या थोड़ा बहुत?